Uckman joins us now for the weekly options alert. Alan Uckman of Agora Financial bringing that to us today. And always a pleasure to have you on the show.
It's been a tough couple of days. Now let's remember, it's only been since last Friday we made all-time forever highs in the NDX and NASDAQ 100. But again, people have been getting a little bit nervous.
Let's check up on your last trade. The last time you were here, you were talking about Newmont mining. This is a gold miner. So what do you see happening here?
Mighty Metals.
Mighty Metals.
Gold was up $30 last week. Followed through again this week, highest level since September. We're still not out of this trade. We've got until Friday, so we're in a profitable situation. I'm just trying to maximize the profit. And if Newmont can get back above 39, I'm trying to get out with a double on this particular option.
I hope you get that double. Let's move you on to your next WPI trade trigger.
So the next thing I have is the smart money moved into another miner. Copper this time. So it wasn't just gold that moved up. Silver made new highs, copper made new multi-year highs. So Freeport-McMoRan, FCX, we're looking at the $14 calls for September 15th, so it's not this Friday expiration, the Friday after. So it's the $14 call. That stock had been trading between 11 and 14, which targets 17 on a breakout. So 14 was the old resistance. I'm leaning on that as a level of support as a floor.
And now onto your trading floor takeaways, starting with volatility. We saw some volatility in the market this week.
Yeah, we've seen the markets have these spikes in the short term, but getting beaten down. Now, what's interesting is the spikes aren't getting that high, but the volatility of volatility, which is actually something, it's the VVIX as a function, is the symbol for it, that reached the highest levels that we've seen so far this year. So what that tells me is that you're getting these big bursts and quick retreats, big bursts, quick retreats, but we have come back down inside that channel between 10 and 12, and we have not seen a 3% move in the S&P since September. That's the longest period of time in 20 years.
Now, second on your trading floor takeaways happens to be the rate debate. What do you think is likely to happen here with the Fed?
Well, you and I talk about it all the time, and I had said there will not be a rate hike in 2017. Looking at the numbers, it's not going to happen. There's not a 50-50 chance till we get all the way out till June of 2018. So look for the dollar to continue to decline. That helps metal markets. The dollar index is about 92. The next level of support is 90. So there's more upside in metals.
And your takeaway number 3.
The good news for consumers, hopefully, we'll see. Gas prices have come back down. We had a key reversal top, meaning it made a new high and then a lower close last Friday. And if you look at the December futures contracts, they're all the way back down to 150 where they were before the storm. So if the gas stations want to, they'll be able to lower prices in the future.
You're not suggesting
I'm not suggesting that they might keep the prices high. That's sticky pricing, so we'll have to wait and see. That happened in coffee a couple years ago and they never brought prices back down.
Well, thanks for coming on this show. Have a good week.
Thank you.